We'll guide you through how to transfer a TikTok account to another phone. Whether it's an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've just gone and got yourself another or a new phone and now you want to go and have the TikTok account on it. We'll guide you through how that can go and be done. So to get started, you need to go and get the TikTok app if you haven't already. Open up the Play Store or App Store, depending upon your device type. Then you can press search wherever it is at the bottom, press search again, and we can then go and type in TikTok like so. You probably go and get suggested it. Then what you can do is go and download it. I already have it, so we can go and press open like so. Come onto the device where the TikTok account currently is, come to the profile in the bottom right, press the three lines in the top right, and you want to go and find the option settings and privacy. Then you can go and press account, and then you can press account information. You're either going to need your phone number, email, or username. So see if you need to know these. You can't fully see them, but see if they jog your memory. Otherwise, you can come back to your main profile page and see your username just there. Mine is GuideRealm Bids1. Now come onto the device where you want to go and have TikTok and move the account to, and you can go and press login at the bottom. And then what you can do is you can go and press use phone, email, or username at the top, choose phone, enter in the phone number, or switch to email/username. Now I'll go and enter in the username in this case. Then go and press continue like so and go and wait. And now you need to go and enter in the password. In this case, it's been remembered here for me. If yours isn't, you'll need to go and type it in. If you've forgotten it, you need to press need help and they can go and help reset your password. There's a few different options here, as you can see. I've pressed continue and we're now signing in, and that's it. As you can see, the account is now here. We still have it on this device. So if you want to go and sign it out, you can go and press the three lines in the top right and press settings and privacy at the bottom. Scroll down and we can then go and log it out like so. That's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-to guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.